Hi, this is Sho.
And this is Linnea. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel, we're teaching easy English phrases for you to learn, so if you're interested in that, make sure to keep watching.
Okay, today's phrase is this one.
It is, let's see, just how much does it cost to have children? So what is that in Japanese?
子育てにいくらかかりますか?
So this is what you would say if, I mean, you could use this in like other contexts too, not just with children. Like you could ask like, how much does it cost for something? Like even if you're in a store, but in this specific case, we're just like talking how much does it cost to have children, which is kind of interesting, right? Like why would it cost money to have children?
To have,
yeah.
Like a kind of grocery.
Right? It's interesting.
Shopping.
But this is actually like relevant, especially in the US, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's say cost to grow children.
To grow?
To grow.
that's like growing a plant.
Okay.
Yeah.
To
a little funny.
To keep children.
Raise.
Raise. Okay.
Yes.
Raise children.
Yeah.
Yeah. Might be a good idea. And have you ever thought you're gonna have a kid?
No.
No.
How about you?
Maybe in the future, but maybe
yeah.
when I get 90, 100
90
and start shaking, maybe I might have it.
Yeah, I feel the same way.
Yes. Yeah, but statistically it says, the study said not much actually people make happy, of course, and to have a kids usually they'll be happy. But nowadays I think the different age, different generation, so nowadays too much things to do.
Yeah.
In the past days, you know, there was no internet and not much things going on.
It's just because of the internet.
Yeah, to have a kids, that might be like a status, must be every time to spend the kids.
Yeah, that's true.
But too busy now, eh?
Yeah, I feel that way too. Yeah.
Maybe. And if you have a kids, cannot do much things too.
Yeah, I mean it depends on the person. Like I've known people who like really want to have kids, which is like that's what they want to do with their life. But yeah, I mean it depends on each person, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it's a big problem, especially in Japan. Not much kids. So they don't want to have a kid.
Yeah.
Maybe too expensive. And financially, and as we talked, maybe too much things to do.
Yeah. It's actually the same in the US though. The birth rate is declining. Yeah, it's the same here too.
Everywhere.
Yeah, most rich countries I think are like that. Yeah.
So what do you think? What we should do? What they can do? If there's no kids, so economies go down, and of course just all the people left. So not much young people cannot afford to support them.
I've heard actually the solution to that could be like immigration. Like more immigration helps a lot with that issue.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, because then there's more people in general. Yeah.
But here no problem. United States immigration country, lots of people immigrant from other, but Japan actually not. Yes, they're trying to, but still they're scary. And something I've heard interesting is white supremacists in United States. They actually admire Japan because Japan.
That's a little bit scary.
Because Japan no accept any people from outside, so just growing Japanese and Japanese culture.
Yeah, that's a little bit of a heavy topic, so I don't want to talk about it too much, but yeah.
That's interesting, you know. Yeah, but lots of things are not related, but for example, like a terror in the United States and a plane hit the somewhere that's actually they admire Japanese style kamikaze.
You're Japanese, you don't know the word.
Kamikaze.
Why do I know the word and you don't?
Sorry, I forgot.
No, it's okay.
So kamikaze, no? Actually the terrorists, actually they are very admire, they are following the way, but anyway. Totally different culture. No? So that's interesting and see from different culture, culture, totally different meaning.
Yeah.
Yes.
But anyway, it's very expensive to have children in the US.
Yeah,
so I think
right.
that's also why the birth rate's declining.
How much gonna cost? I have no idea.
I don't know the exact amount. It depends where, like, your kind of insurance and where you go, but it can cost like thousands and thousands of dollars to have children here because of the medical costs.
Yeah, and then here's a private school, right? So public school, everyone can go just free, right?
Yeah.
Yes, in Japan too, that they have to go to school, so states gonna care about the fee, everything. But the United States actually not really good reputation private school. So if it's a rich people, they want give their children to the private school.
Yeah.
Yeah, very small but very expensive. Eh?
Oh yeah, it's like
Yeah.
it costs as much as a college tuition a lot of the times. Yeah.
That's actually for me, maybe for Japanese, that's a kind of rare. So that means if you have a money, just you can get good education.
Yeah,
That's it,
pretty much. That's
right?
it. Yeah.
That's kind of cruel, but anyway, it works here.
I mean, yeah, I
Anyway.
agree. I mean,
Yeah.
it doesn't really work here. Like, there's a lot of problems with that system, but hopefully it changes in the future.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway. But I really envy though some kids, sometimes international students, and growing up with diversity people, so lots of different countries. Must be a good experience for kids.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I really
definitely.
envy them. If I grew up here, must be fun. Yeah, I was grew up in Japan, just Japanese.
Right.
Japanese, no any other countries.
Right, right.
Yes.
I mean, I grew up here, but I didn't really think about it much when I was a kid, you know. It was very normal. Like
Yeah.
how just being around Japanese people was normal for you. But, you know, I kind of thought about that stuff later when I became an adult more, you know. And I'm glad I got to be around, like, different cultures and stuff growing up in New York City.
Yeah, you never thought like that when you were kids.
No, I thought it was normal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
surround you, of course, Japanese, Chinese, Korean.
Yeah, anyone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sounds good. Huh?
Yeah, definitely.
And studies said, I really envy them. Also, they study in nature, big nature here. Even here, some school, they stayed in a mountain, deep of a mountain. And half of the day, they just camping and hiking. And afternoon, they're gonna have like a study, like a normal stuff. It's amazing too. Eh?
Yeah, that's not bad. Although I'm more of like a person who likes to stay in and go on the computer, so I don't know if I would like that all the time.
Okay.
But I do like hiking though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But study says if grown
No, but
up
yeah, that makes
kids
sense.
in the nature,
Yeah.
they actually develop more brain or more like a good
Yeah,
things.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Wrap up. Let's repeat that phrase.
Yes. So I'll say it slowly first and we'll get a little bit faster each time we go along. The camera just... there we go. How much does it cost to have children? Okay, a little bit faster now. How much does it cost to have children? Okay, one more time at normal speed. How much does it cost to have children? That's it. How'd you do? Did you do okay?
Excellent.
Yay! So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. And if you have any suggestions for one of our future videos, feel free to leave that in the comments below. And if you're interested in seeing more English learning videos like this one, feel free to subscribe to our channel.
でコメントとありましたらお答えします。あとチャンネル登録もよろしくお願いします。
Thank you. See you next time.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.